North America, a land of unlimited possibilities. However, with harsh winters, high traffic flows, and an ever-present need for safety, it's obvious that effective de-icing is a critical requirement. Using the Stratos approach, safe driving conditions are efficiently achieved without adversely affecting the environment.
Our current process, we use 5%, a maximum of 5% salt brine, mix that with our salt. And of course with the Stratos we're using 30% salt brine and 70% salt. And some of the things that we're seeing in particular, we're saving quite a bit of salt, probably 15 to 20%. And we're also seeing excellent results. It seems to be melting much faster than our conventional methods.
We find that the brine rate applying is a lot stronger. We're getting a better action. We're getting a better spread pattern. We're not concentrated, which is our normal operations, is a concentrated effect. We try to do that. The spreader that has been supplied to us is technically superior for bringing that spread pattern in so that the whole lane is getting a treatment instead of our concentrated effect, and it breaks what we call white line to white line very fast, and that's what we're after, is to be able to get the pavement back to a good run condition for the vehicles. So it is a superior technology.
And again, we're very impressed with the results that we're getting.
All the things that make the Stratos good, the brine spreading, the way the brine is applied in the salt, the way it comes out, everything is fit to improve what we do. Yeah. And like I say, it's better than what we have right now. So I'll go with it.
This is 3 times what we ever had before. So we're proud of it.